Today, you will learn how to use the be verb negatively in the present tense, no matter what the subject of the sentence is. The key word for today is not. Pretty easy, right? Good. Let's get started. In the previous videos, you learned how to use the be verb positively to give true information about someone's job, feelings, identity, and physical characteristics or personality. When you want to say that something is not true about someone, you simply need to add not. In the present tense, not comes after the subject and be verb. For instance, I am becomes I am not. They are becomes they are not, and so on. Let's practice the first person I am not and the second person singular you are not. Remember that this you is used when you talk to one person. Shortening these to I'm not and you're not will make your English natural. In the case of you can instead make a conjunction with are and not. You aren't. This is also natural. First, I will say what I am not and then ask you a question. Answer the question with you are not, you're not, or you aren't. You can add no before your answer since you're answering a question. Let's try. I am not Alexandra. I'm not Alexandra. Is my name Alexandra? Right. You should say, no, you are not Alexandra. You're not Alexandra. You aren't Alexandra. I am not Russian. I'm not Russian. Am I Russian? Great. No, you are not Russian. You're not Russian. You aren't Russian. I am not a dentist. I'm not a dentist. Am I a dentist? Right. No, you are not a dentist. You're not a dentist. You aren't a dentist. Let's switch the roles. I will ask you questions. If the information is true, answer with yes, I am. But if the information is not true, answer with no, I am not. Are you tired? If you are tired, yes, I am tired. I'm tired. If you are not tired, no, I am not tired. I'm not tired. Are you a student? If yes, yes, I am a student. I'm a student. If no, no, I am not a student. I'm not a student. Are you strong? If you are strong, yes, I am strong. I'm strong. If you are not strong, no, I am not strong. I'm not strong. Let's practice the third person singular he is not and she is not. We will also practice using the person's name. Remember, you can shorten these to he's not, she's not, and the name, apostrophe S, not. However, you can also join is and not to make isn't. He isn't, she isn't, and the name isn't. Look at the picture and keywords. This is the true information about the person. I will ask you questions about the person and you tell me if it's true or not. Is she Sandra? Good. No, she is not Sandra. She's not Sandra. She isn't Sandra. Is she Greek? Great. No, she is not Greek. She's not Greek. She isn't Greek. Or, Sandra is not Greek. Sandra's not Greek. Sandra isn't Greek. Is she bored? Right. No, she is not bored. She's not bored. She isn't bored. Or, Sandra is not bored. Sandra's not bored. Sandra isn't bored. Is she ugly? You've got it. No, she is not ugly. She's not ugly. She isn't ugly. Or, Sandra is not ugly. Sandra's not ugly. Sandra isn't ugly. Let's practice the first person plural, we are not, and the second person plural, you are not. Remember that this you is used when you talk to a group of people. You can shorten them to we are not and you're not. Or you can join are and not to make the contraction aren't. We aren't and you aren't. Both ways are natural. Let's practice changing the subject in these negative sentences. We are not mean. We're not mean. We aren't mean. Change these sentences to the second person plural, you. Good. You are not mean. You're not mean. You aren't mean. You are not professors. You're not professors. You aren't professors. Change these sentences to the first person plural, we. Perfect. We are not professors. We're not professors. We aren't professors. We are not disappointed. We're not disappointed. We aren't disappointed. How can you change these sentences to you? Nice. You are not disappointed. You're not disappointed. You aren't disappointed. It's time to practice the last subject, the third person plural, they are not, or name and name are not. You can shorten these like so. They are not, they aren't, and name aren't. Are they Stephen and Peter? Right. No, they are not Stephen and Peter. They're not Stephen and Peter. They aren't Stephen and Peter. Are they in their 30s? No, they are not in their 30s. They're not in their 30s. They aren't in their 30s. Or, no, Derek and James are not in their 30s. Derek and James aren't in their 30s. Are they small? Great. No, they are not small. They're not small. They aren't small. Or, no, Derek and James are not small. Derek and James aren't small. Do you remember both and all? These can be added for the plural subjects, they, we, and you. Both means a group of two, and all means everyone in a group larger than two. To make these negative, the pronoun should take the object form. They becomes them, we becomes us, and you is still you. Start the sentence with both of or all of, then add the object pronoun. Finally, add are not or the shortened aren't. So, both of us are not. All of us are not. Both of us aren't. All of us aren't. Both of them are not. Both of them aren't. All of them are not. All of them aren't. Both of you are not. Both of you aren't. All of you are not. All of you aren't. Today, you will learn how to use the be verb negatively in the
I am not a doctor. You're not Alexandra. You are not a dentist. I'm not strong.
And they're not strangers.
We're not alone.